Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Zach here. So glad you came back, and if you're joining us for the first time, make sure you like and subscribe if you get some value out of this video. So the few things we're going to cover here today in this video. Number one, why are the markets down? How is this influencing and impacting Shiba Inu, which you can see the price right now, testing those lows again at that 6.4 level, 6.3 level. If it dips lower than that, then we've got some things to worry about, but at that 6.3 level, it seems to be bouncing off that. So we'll get into that. We're also going to talk about a fun collaboration that we're going to have tomorrow morning. I'm going to have Austin Hilton join our channel tomorrow for our live stream in the morning. We won't have a live stream tonight. We'll get prepared for that one tomorrow morning. So Austin, if you're unfamiliar with him, here's his YouTube channel. He does a fantastic job, covers Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, stocks. He's all about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. So if you're not already subscribed to his channel, you should be. And here's his Patreon page as well. So he's got two different levels here. You could join him for $10 per month or $20 per month. And here you can see his benefits. You could just search up Austin Hilton over there on the Patreon, and you could see all of the great things that you'll get from him over there. So that's coming up tomorrow morning. I'll mention that again toward the end of the video. And then the Shiba Inu price prediction. I want to talk a little bit more about that here in this video, talk about some thoughts that I have for the end of 2021, some of the things I'm looking for in terms of that. And then we're also going to talk about some of the Google trend data. We're going to put Shiba Inu up against Safemoon, which is a really popular one, I know, Kishu Inu, Sanshu Inu, and Dogecoin. Now, we did this a couple days ago, but things change pretty quickly, so you're going to want to stick around for all of these pieces of information today throughout the video. Let's first start with why the markets are down and how is this impacting Shiba Inu. Well, first things first. Markets are down because there's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And there's a few reasons for that, right? Elon tweeting doesn't necessarily help our cause, talking about the environmental impact Bitcoin's having, right? But we've got some positive catalyst in there too. Of course, with El Salvador adding Bitcoin, but just not really bringing the price up maybe as much as it should, right? So we start to think, why are we kind of in this phase if this is supposed to be a bull run? Somebody on the live stream brought this to my attention last night. There's a website out there. And again, when I talked to Austin today on the phone, he brought this to my attention as well. This is a really, really nice resource. So Datamishcom, you can see here. So you can see on the left-hand side panel, we've got Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Monero, Zcash, IOTA, EOS, and Ripple, some of the big ones in the crypto space, okay? So what are we looking at here? Okay, so it gives you the price, okay, so that's okay. But here it gives you longs and shorts. So what does this mean? Well, people who have longs on Bitcoin, they're betting that the price is going to go up, right? So we have more longs than shorts here on Bitcoin. However, this number, 18,000 and then some, pushing up to 19,000 short positions, is quite a bit of short positions. So it's one of the main reasons why we're kind of in this level of volatility right now in the crypto market. So you'll see up top here too, which is pretty cool. You could take this out to 12 hours, or you can bring this in rather to 12 hours, 6 hours, even 4 or 2 or 1 hour, okay? Or you could take it all the way out here. Say if we wanted to go and look at the 180 day or the 360 day, you could do that as well. It really gives you a nice gauge of where the market is as a whole. So I like to keep it right here on the 24-hour. This is a website that I will continue to watch on the daily now. So shout out to whoever that was in the live stream last night. I can't remember who exactly it was, but thank you. And then thanks to Austin for bringing it back to top of mind here. So I wanted to share this with you all. And I think you should add this into your research as well. Datamishcom. Real quick before we move on from this, you can see Ethereum. This is interesting. A lot of total shorts here on Ethereum. Okay. However, I've got that long-term mindset on Ethereum. I'm holding this until 2030, right? At least. So I'm not too overly concerned about the day-to-day fluctuation. However, I do think it's important that we follow it, that we stay up to date on it, right? Because things do change so quickly in the crypto space. Same thing with Cardano here. If we take a look at that, I know a lot of people here also are interested in Cardano. So a lot of short positions right now against Cardano. That's why we're seeing that price kind of fluctuate between that 150, 160. It is good overall that Cardano's not dropping below that, right? So this is just a resource I wanted to share with you there. All right, in terms of SHIB, so the Shiba Inu price predictions. And I should mention, so we see all these short positions. It's one of the main reasons why we're seeing the SHIB price go down as well. I also mentioned some other negative catalysts in my video this morning, but this is another big reason. So tack on another reason, a fourth reason why we're seeing the price of SHIB and other altcoins go down. But in terms of the overall price prediction for the end of 2021, here's a few things that I'm thinking about. And I've said this before in some live streams and some other videos. I know everybody wants to see this thing go to a half a cent tomorrow, right? Or 1 cent by the end of the year. But we got to be realistic here. Look how long it took Dogecoin to really materialize and grow a huge following and then take off, right? It took a long time. It is good to see here Shiba Inu's got 490K in the community, closing in on 500K. But it took a long time for Doge to get there, and it's going to take a long time for Shiba to get there too. So we've got to be patient. Now, with that said, the end of the year price prediction. I've said this and I'll say it again. I would be happy if we get close to the all-time highs, which is that 3.8 level. Say we close the year at that 30 level or even the 28 level. I would be okay with that. Why? Because I'm a long-term holder. I'm not swing trading this, or nor am I day trading this, right? So I've said this. I think if we see some positive momentum with the market, I think we'll see positive momentum with SHIB. I do think Shiba Swap, when released, will help and be a nice catalyst. Now, will something like Robinhood or Coinbase eventually come along? If it does, that will be a catalyst, right? But we're not there yet. Okay, so rather than speaking hypotheticals, here's what we know now. The market is volatile, maybe even more volatile right now than other times. We've got to be patient. Now, some may say buy the dips, and you can do that if you really strongly believe in an asset, right? But just only be willing to lose what you invest. Always be willing to lose what you invest, okay? And diversify your portfolio. I hold Shiba Inu token. I have 30 million Shiba Inu tokens, right? But it's not nearly the amount that I have in Ethereum or Polygon or Cardano, okay? So my price prediction, or at least what I'd like to see it get to by the end of the year, close to the all-time high, I think that would be a win for SHIB. All right, lastly here in the video, if you're still hanging out and you're getting some value here, make sure you like and subscribe. Would appreciate that. And if you're just checking in, if you fast forward to the video a little bit, tomorrow morning, live stream, 9:30, me and Austin Hilton will be on your screen. Go give Austin a follow. Subscribe to his channel over there. He's got some great content. He does some things on Cardano, SHIB, the crypto crash. He's got a lot of good stuff out there. So make sure you give him a check out over there. Here's his Patreon page as well. He's got a couple different membership levels. So definitely check him out. We'll be on live tomorrow morning. I'll be tweeting about that as well as putting it in the community page too. All right, so this is the Google Trends comparison. So interesting thing here. Dogecoin still way up. Look how much lower though, and this wasn't as low here the last couple days, but now the 7-day, Shiba Inu has actually gained ground on Kishu and Sanshu. So Kishu and Sanshu were kind of quick hitters. They were interesting for a minute, right? Like right in here, maybe a little bit of Sanshu, right? But overall, guys, the moral of the story here, Shiba Inu, and let's put in Safemoon too. I forgot to add Safemoon because I know a lot of people have Safemoon. Overall though, Shiba Inu is getting way more search traffic than these other community coins. Now, Safemoon, it's a little bit closer, but Shiba Inu still, just this week, now Shiba Inu is a lot newer than Safemoon too. Just this week, we take a look at the past 7 days, and it continues to have a nice, strong lead on Safemoon. So people ask, why are you invested in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Look at this Google Trends chart, and that should give you everything you need to know, at least a lot of what you need to know. So if you got some value out here, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the live stream tomorrow morning, and I'll be joined by Austin Hilton. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.